Welcome to the kitchen where we make everything but pasta. Today I'm going to be making an Indian savory dish. This is called CHAKRI. They are delicious and it doesn't take very long at our place for them to disappear. So let's get to the kitchen and get started. We'll start by mixing all the dry ingredients together. Start with 6 cups of rice flour and add 3/4 cups of besan flour. Combine the 2 flours well and continue adding the other dry ingredients and mixing them in. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon citric acid, 2 tablespoons salt, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, and 5 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Mix all the ingredients until well combined. Now add 4 ounces of margarine and mix the margarine until a fine crumbly mixture forms. In a blender cup, add 2 cloves of garlic, half a cup of cilantro, and 6 chillies. You can reduce or omit the chilies altogether depending on how spicy you would like the CHAKRI to be. Then add a 1/4 cup of water and blend all the ingredients together. Add this paste to 2 cups of yogurt and mix it up. Combine the liquid ingredients and the dry ingredients together to form a dough. If the dough is too crumbly, you may need another 1/4 to a 1/2 cup of yogurt. The dough should be soft and smooth. Cover and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. To make the CHAKRI, you will need the CHAKRI machine with a star-shaped plate. You can purchase this from any Indian store. Place enough of the dough into the cavity and close the lid. To form the CHAKRI, I use a large piece of parchment paper on a counter and use the rotating handle to guide the CHAKRI into a round shape. This takes a bit of practice. Have a few of them ready before starting to fry. You will need to form more CHAKRIs while others are frying. Add enough oil in a wok and heat it between medium and medium-high. You don't want to burn the CHAKRI before they are cooked through. The temperature of the oil will be between 370 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oil is hot, take a flat metal flipper or turner to slide the CHAKRI on it and gently drop it in the oil. Let it cook for a couple of minutes and then turn it. Once golden, remove from the oil and place on a paper towel-lined tray. So here we have it. Our CHAKRI is now ready. I am going to pack it up in some containers so that we can bring it to the cottage over the weekend. Let me give it a taste test. Wow, they are so good. They're crunchy. They have just a hint of spice. They have a nice lemony sour taste. Oh my gosh, I could just eat a whole plate of them. But I'm not going to do that since we want to save it for the cottage. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.